Township Entrepreneurs Stories is a web series proudly brought to you by T. We profile small businesses nationwide that are providing services and products ekasi.
My name is Makhokolotsi Khapetsi, and I am a founder of Created for Purpose, an umbrella of all my businesses. And I am operating from Tabanchu. I started in 2020 during the COVID. I started my business because first of all, there was a need, financial need from my side. I am a mother to two boys, which I had to feed every month. And I have not been working almost all my life. So business has been an option that I had to go for so that I can put food on the table. My company, we have products, these perfumes. One of the things that I believe in is that when you smell good, there's confidence, and in whatever, no matter how your day is going, because of how you smell, that brings about change. And what I've also learned is that perfume speaks a message that nobody can speak on your behalf. And the other thing that the product that I sell is the t-shirts and also hoodies from this brand called Hey Queen for ladies. We also have t-shirts for gentlemen, which has a sign of infinity plaque. So down here we write a message that suits you, that relates to you, that tells your story. Like here, the one I have right now, it talks about a woman's strength and how she can conquer the world because God is with her. So my products are available nationwide. We courier all over South Africa. My products are unique because, like I said, with the t-shirts and the hoodies, you are declaring and telling a story, your own story, meaning that whatever your t-shirts or hoodie is written, it's yours, it's you, it's something that cuts you above the rest. As for perfumes, you choose whichever that you want, and they are inspired, meaning that some people cannot even afford the original perfumes, but these ones are affordable, accessible, and they are also pocket-sized, meaning that you can carry it in your pocket or in your small bag. If you want to buy my products, I'm available firstly on WhatsApp and on a call. It's 083 416 5732. I'm also available via email. It's khapetsim@gmail.com. And I'm also available on social media, Facebook and Instagram. And my handles are Makhokolotsi, Madam Speaker Khapetsi. Hi, my name is Makhokolotsi Khapetsi, and I am a township entrepreneur.